Hi, I'm Adrian from the UNSW Data Science Society, and in this video we'll be giving you a brief taste of what it's like to study data science at UNSW. Specifically, we'll run through a mini project based off of the same dataset but with a small twist for each data science major. The dataset we'll be using consists of customers from a telco company and whether or not they've churned, or in simple terms, whether or not customers still buy products from the company. To get started, let's take a look at the first major of data science. In the first part of Choose Your Data Science Major here at UNSW, we'll be going through the Computational Major. Choosing the Computational Major means that you'll be specializing further in computational data methods such as SQL, Python, and in this video, Spark. Apache Spark is a big data analytics engine, and throughout the video we'll be building a machine learning pipeline completely in PySpark to give you a better taste of what to expect in the computational major. Without further ado, here's a code walkthrough. That was a small taste of what you might expect to learn as a computational major studying data science at UNSW. If you thought that, this isn't quite for me, keep watching the series to learn more about the quantitative and business major.
Hi, I'm Lily from the UNSW Data Science Society. In this part of the video, we'll be giving you an example of what you might learn if you choose to study the business major. The business major focuses on modelling and analysing large datasets for businesses and government bodies, then interpreting these results to help make the best decisions. It allows a deeper access into an economic perspective of an organisation while still developing programming and mathematical skills. In this example, we'll be using a software library called CatBoost to build a classification model, which will predict whether or not a customer will churn, an important tool for businesses. That concludes our taster of the business major of data science at UNSW. Now we'll be moving on to an example of the quantitative major.
Hi, I'm Femka from the UNSW Data Science Society, and I'll be introducing the last part of this video, Choose Your Data Science Major, here at UNSW, where we will be going through the quantitative major. Choosing the quantitative major means that you will be specialising further in programming languages such as R and Python, and understanding the underlying statistical theory behind data models and methods, as well as statistics to evaluate their effectiveness. In this next walkthrough, we will be developing a logistic regression model, a common mathematical classification method that we will use to predict the probability of whether a customer will churn or not. Without further ado, here's a code walkthrough. That concludes our brief insight into what kind of work you might be expecting to learn when pursuing a quantitative data science major.
So that finishes up the course of this video where we've explored data science through all three majors: computational, business, and quantitative. Stay tuned for more videos around analytics, machine learning, and a whole lot more.